DY10GAO engine 11J906. It's running good. The front engines looks good, as you can see. Look at all on altimeter, you don't see any damage. Same as well like on this side, everything nice. Starter broken, as you can see. Same as well like a gearbox, everything nice. And on this side, engine's looking good. All windows in good conditions, without water inside. On the top, plastics covered without any damage. We have computer engine, as you can see. And on the bottom, oil sump without any cracks, no leaks. And DY10GAO engine 11J906.